Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. See you again in this channel. In this video, we will talk about the printer with model Epson L3110 with problem paper jam. This is about an Epson printer with the L3110 model with paper jam damage, where when we print appears an error with a warning paper jam. An error with a warning paper jam appears on the monitor screen, which means that the paper is considered jammed. When this printer is turned on normally, its condition is like a normal printer, no blinking and no signs of damage. Well, the damage appears when we print. The paper sucked in, then blinking, and we can see the warning paper jam on the monitor screens. This condition could be caused by paper stuck in the space in the machine. It could also be caused by the paper sensor lever being released. It could also be because the sensor was damaged, but on this printer, all under normal conditions. There is no paper tear, no paper. The paper sensor lever is in the correct position. The sensor is also not damaged. It is marked by a different condition when we change the lever position. So, what's the real causes? It turns out that we found there are conditions that are not normal on this printer. That is when we turn this gear to try to suck up paper, it didn't work. Under normal conditions, when we rotate the gear inward and then we turn it back, the paper will be sucked in. But this printer doesn't. The paper cannot be sucked in. So we immediately checked the mechanical condition in this section, and apparently we could not find any springs here. There should be small springs here. We are pretty sure the springs are loose, and we can finally find them at the bottom. Then we install again, and this is the position where it should be. We have installed it as it should. Then we put it back in position like this. So we can see here the paper can be sucked in when we rotate the mechanics. This means that the mechanical position is correct. This paper cannot suck it in if the pair that uh, we have explained before not in the correct position. This condition, brother, is one of the causes of this printer that paper jam. And then after this, we can try the printer to print something after all part installed again. And you can see here the printer working well. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.